So this is the Biolight stove, and before it came out, my friend and I were actually working on a thermocoupler, or a Peltier device that would run something very similar to this. I was not going to have regular fire from timber, but I was going to try to put alcohol gel to make it power. But anyway, then these things came along and I was very intrigued. My buddy bought one, and let me tell you his review.
Well, I was really excited about the Biolight stove. When we dry ran it at home, it worked great. We were hoping that it would be infinite source of heat. We could have water boiling all day. It comes with a grill, so we were hoping to do steaks and whatnot on those shorter hikes. Today it's West Coast spring weather, so it's a bit wet, but we could not get that stove to work to save our lives. We wound up cooking all our meals on the fire, caveman style. So I'm going to have to take the Biolight back and either work through the problems. Maybe it's an issue with the user, or it's just a stove that's not going to work on West Coast camping, sadly.
Oh well, thank you.